Businessman Dr. Kudakwashe Tagwirei and his wife have come under public scrutiny after embarking on a Christian family life journey centered in Rome, focusing on marriage, faith, and Christian history from the time of Christ. While presented as a private spiritual retreat, the choice of Rome is politically and religiously loaded. Tagwirei is widely known to be a Seventh-day Adventist, a denomination that is no doctrinal or institutional link to Rome or Catholic tradition. By contrast, Roma has long been publicly associated with Vice President Constantino Chiwenga from the earliest days of his visible faith journey. In Zimbabwe, political culture, religion is not accidental. It signals belonging, alignment, and acceptance. The optics therefore raise a direct question: is Tagwirei simply touring history or deliberately positioning himself within a faith space historically linked to Chiwenga? This comes at a time when religious symbolism is increasingly merging with succession politics, where shared values, unity narratives, and church platforms are quietly becoming tools of influence. No announcement has been made about Tagwirei leaving the SDA church, but actions often communicate before declarations, and the move from SDA identity to a Rome-centered Christian experience is not insignificant. In Zimbabwean power politics, such shifts are rarely innocent and never ignored. Let's get to hear what you think about all this.